Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to stop call recording announcement in Poco F4 5G smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the Play Store application. Now search the TTS Lex app. Then install this application. So after installing, click on Open. Now it will navigate into the text-to-speech settings. You need to click on the preferred engine. Now select the TTS Lex from the list and click OK. Now preferred text-to-speech engine is changed to the TTS Lex. Now come back to the main screen. Now click and hold the phone icon for few seconds. Now click this icon. It will open the app info. Now choose storage. So we have to clear the data. So before clearing data, take a backup of phone recent calls, because after we clear data, the recent call history will be deleted. So now we need to clear data, all data. Now I deleted. Now I open the phone application again. Now I call to some number. Now you can see I start the call recording. There is no announcement.
அதாவது மீதி மற்றும் கழித்தல் குறித்து ஒன்றை அழுத்தவும்.
So that's all guys. In this way you can disable the call recording announcement in your Poco F4 5G smartphone. See you next video. Bye bye.